This is 8085 microprocessor trainer kit. Its model number is LGS85L. Here we are using 12 volt 2 ampere power adapter provided by us. Now we will see sections of this board one by one. To turn on this board, we have provided on and off switch. Then press reset key. Here you will see Loxon 85 on the display. Here the first section is power supply section. Then here we have provided 8085 central processor IC, which is of 40 pin IC. It has 8 data bus. It has 8-bit address bus. It has total 64 kilobytes of memory. This memory is divided into 3 sections, as first section is BIOS monitor program memory. It starts from address 0000H to 3FFFH, which consists of 16 kilobytes. Second section is Scratchpad RAM. This stores lookup tables or push-pop instructions data, etc. Its address starts from 4000H to 7FFFH, which is 16 kilobytes of memory. And third section is called user RAM. Its address starts from 8000H to FFFFH, which consists of 32 kilobytes of memory. In intermediate power failure, data can be written. That's why we have provided battery backup here. The next section is timer IC. Here all timer, counter and clock pins are brought at RelayMate 2 connector. Next, 5 interrupt pins of CPU 8085 can be used at RelayMate 1 connector. Next section is all address, data and control signals are brought at 50 pin of FRC connector. This is also called as standard bus. This is keypad with 28 keys, which consist of alphanumeric keys and command keys. These keys are used to enter and execute the program. First one, reset key. This is called hardware reset, which makes all register contents to 0000H. Next, serial input key. This is used to serial data input from PC. Next is serial output key. This is used to serial data out to PC. Next is previous key. This is used to check data of previous location. Next is escape key. This is used to return to command mode. If anything gets wrong in the program, we can press escape key to come out, keeping all register contents same. Next is comparison key. This is used to compare data in memory blocks. Next, these are user keys. These are for future expansion. Next is enter key. This is used to proceed to the next step. Next is substitute key. This key is used to enter data or opcodes into memory. This is also used to modify or read data from the memory locations. This substitute key can be used for 3 different purposes. First one, substitute memory, which allows you to enter data in external memory. Second, substitute register. This can also allow us to modify or examine the registers directly. Third, substitute input-output option allows you for input-output port to upload and download hex file. Next is move command key. This is used to move data from one memory location to another. And the next is execute key. This is used to execute the program. We will follow 4 steps to enter and execute the program. First step, enter the input numbers at required address according to the program. Second step, enter the opcodes of program at starting address. Third step, to execute the program by giving starting program address, and fourth step is to check the result, enter the output memory address. Now we will see how to enter a program. Here this program performs addition of two 8-bit numbers 24H and 42H, and it shows the output result at accumulator A is equal to 66H. We are using following instructions in this program. First one, MVI, that is move immediate. Next is move, and third is addition instructions to add the two numbers. Now we will see how to enter the opcodes of the program. For that, first press reset, then press substitute key, then press enter key. This is asking for the memory address of the program. Again press enter key. Now this is our program starting address. Here it starts from the 8000H. Again press enter. Now here we will fill the opcodes of the program. So this is the address and these are the opcodes. So our first opcode is 3E. Enter. At 8001 location it is 24. Enter. 8002 location it is 06. Enter. At 8003 location it is 42. Enter. 8004 it is 50. Enter. Next is 80. Enter. And the 8006 location it is CF. Enter. So here our program is completed. At 8006 we have stored CF. Next, now to come out of this mode we have to press escape key. Now we will see how to execute the program. For that, press escape, press execute to execute the program, then press enter. This will ask you for full swing mode to run the program. Press enter. Now here it is asking for the address to be executed. So here our address is 8000. Enter. Now this is showing command. This means our program is executed successfully. Now to check the output of addition, press substitute, enter. Now here press any key from the alphanumeric. Now it is asking for the register. Again press enter. Now here it shows the output accumulator A is equal to 66H, which is our addition result. Remember one thing, don't press reset key in between the program. This makes all register contents 000H. Press escape key to come out of the any mode.